Look at her tongue.
No, don't touch. You're gonna make a mess. I should have put a bib on her. Put something. You gotta make an intro for your video.
What do you mean?
She's 4 months.
Well, say it.
Yeah. 4 months and she's eating apple.
Arianna?
Ari.
Laugh. 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 Arianna.
Put your hands down.
Damn, you're really eating that. Right, Arianna? Right? 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 We love, yay!
Are you tricking me?
That was a joke, wasn't it? But what she really wants to be is a knight, and she'll do anything to get better at it. She's got a best friend that's just a little bigger than her, and he only has good things to say about her.
Alright, that's enough. 2 minutes is coming up. Say bye.
Say bye, Papi.
Bye.
Ari, 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 Ari.